This video is going to show you how to insert, delete, and move fields within a table in Design View in Access. So our first says insert a new field between product ID and price. We have the product ID field here listed first, then the price field. So what you do is you select the field that you want to insert a new row above. So I'm going to select the price field, then go to my Table Tools Design ribbon and click Insert Row. And that inserts a row in between the two fields. And now it wants me to name the new field product name, and make it a short text field. I don't need any description, that's optional, and then I'm going to save the table. So that's inserting a field within Design View. Our next step is to now delete a field. So it's asking us to open up the locations table. So I'm going to click on the locations table and delete the building field. So you just go ahead and select the building field by having your arrow pointing to the right hand side. Again, you can go Table Tools Design, say delete row, or you could have right clicked on that row and said delete. So that's going to delete the row. Recognize this is going to delete the fields and all the data in that fields. There is no such thing as undo. So if you have to put this information back in, you're going to have to type it back in. I'm going to say yes to delete that field and now save the table, and we have completed that step of deleting a field from a table. Lastly, we're going to insert or move the phone field so it's immediately above the phone type field. Again, I have to click on Customer Table, and if you notice, I see my phone field, but I don't see the phone type field. So over here on the right hand side, if I just scroll down a little, I see the phone field and the phone type field. You have to make sure in using SimNet, you have to make sure that they're in the same view. So you're going to go ahead and click your phone field to select it. Now with your mouse on top, click, hold, and drag, and you see that black line? You want to drag that black line so that it's just right above your phone type. Drop it in. You just moved your phone field so it's immediately above phone type. I'll save my table, and now I've completed that moving the fields in Design View.